go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your families do.
What's good, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to the world of Team Dawson. And today, hold on, let me turn this TV down. We are not doing anything. We are just chilling. I'm not starting over. Come on up. Come on up. You little psycho boy. Can you turn that light on up there too? But anyway, like I said, we ain't doing nothing today. We just chilling. No. Ain't it in there? Drink it. Oh, yeah, drink it. Drink it. You gonna say what's up, YouTube? Say what's up, YouTube? Well, before these young men came in here, I was just Netflix and chilling with my mamas, my mamma mia. So yeah, we haven't been on here in a few days. More than a few. Well, yeah, I'm gonna say a few, because I can't say a couple because it's been way more than 2 days. Yeah, I don't think it's been 5 days, so shut up. So yeah, as you guys know, Father's Day was Sunday. My birthday was Friday. So we had like a joyous, relaxing weekend. And then Monday we had some things to take care of, as well as
Mama, I thought there was a day
yesterday. Yesterday we didn't do nothing. But you killed my Gatorade. Okay, whatever. You gonna say what's up to the vlog?
No.
Okay, so he got an attitude, y'all. Don't worry about him. Y'all comment in, y'all leave a comment down below. Hashtag me Nate. Hey Zion. Hey Brat. Hey Brat. So yeah, we just chilling, just chillaxing. I ain't doing a thing today. So this vlog is just gonna probably be maybe 10-15 minutes long today. Oh man, my show just going. I ain't pause it. Like I said, it's Netflix and chilling. I know y'all gonna think I'm so behind and so late, but last night I was sitting in the living room by myself and everybody was sleeping. Besides that one over there. He was wide awake for some reason. He was up. And I was in the living room and I started watching How to Get Away with Murder on Netflix. And I am stuck. This is what we're watching. Dodo Bird? Dodo Bird, little Dodo Bird, little Dodo Bird, Dodo Bird. So like I'm right now we on episode 7. Last night I watched the first 4 episodes. I'm planning on finishing this season today. And then I'll probably do something with my life. But until then, what are you doing, girl? And so she keep tearing up her shirt. This is supposed to be a nice little cute little shirt, and she keep taking all the balls off so she can play with them.
They fall off? Yeah, they've been falling off.
Yeah, whatever. Hey, what are you doing?
I hit in my face.
You see why we not banging no more? So don't you hit my phone. Back up, boy. They don't want to see that. Alright, y'all. Comment down below. Cool motorcycle, Nate. Cool motorcycle.
Or mean Nate.
Are you mean Nate or nice Nate?
Nate.
You nice Nate? You gonna blow him a kiss? You gonna blow him a kiss? See, you mean Nate. That's mean Nate. That's mean Nate. No. But yeah, like I said, guys, we are just chilling today, not doing anything. If anything, I'm gonna get back. Ow!
You lost it.
I'm really glad that was soft. I'm gonna get back
Where was
to
it?
my show. I'm gonna kick these kids out of my room.
I was in here with you first.
Yeah, you can stay because you was in here. But these 2 little cootie boys got to go.
Cootie.
What? Boys got cooties.
Where did it go?
But yes, so But before I go on this break, I want you guys, if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel. Turn your post notifications on. Like,
Got it.
share.
Hey,
Yeah, and just become a part of our team. Because
in the middle. Hey.
we ain't always, I'm not going to sit here and tell y'all that we lit over here because there'll be a tell.
Here.
But we are
It has to be pink.
all discombobulated.
Hey, why are you
Everybody had their own thing going on.
No, it's Nate.
Keep in mind, it's supposed to just been an intro. And we're going in 5.5 minutes right now. And I still ain't got my point across because of all this noise in the background. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Because these little unruly children of mine. Get out! Get out!
No, never.
Yes.
Never.
I know, never.
Never. We get the day. We get the day. We get the day. We get the day. Day.
Get out!
We get the day. 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 We get the day.
You're hurting my arm, boy.
We get the day.
Alright, y'all. Peace. We'll be back. Alrighty, guys. We are back. And we're ready to make some lunch. Like I said, this is a simple lunch because my baby's gonna make it. So we have some turkey hot dogs, 2 slices of cheese, and you probably won't see me that much because it's just at this point of the video, it's not about me, it's about my baby. And we have some crescent rolls, and we are preheating the oven to 375. Did you wash your hands already? I washed my hands already too. So we have cheese. We're gonna cut up some cheese strips. I might not need that pack because it's just little strips.
Like that?
So yeah, like that. I'm gonna make 8 of them. No, I do need that pack because we're gonna put 2 slices in there.
Do everybody can have 2 slices
2
of
little
these?
thin slices. Yes, ma'am. So like that's gonna go in 1 hot dog. We're gonna stack them. It's gonna go in the hot dog. I said I wasn't good enough for you. Y'all, Queen did her thing with that song. It's been stuck in my head. I don't know why. I've been singing that song off and on. So, if y'all get bored of me just sitting here cutting cheese.
Can I have that?
No, ma'am. You don't play with scissors, knives. I'm talking about scissors. I think we're gonna make enough with just this 1 slice. This is 5. I don't want to open up a whole nother slice of cheese. 6.
Is all of us gonna have? No. It's 4.
7. And 8. Yeah, it's only 8 rolls in that bag, that thing. So.
I think you can.
By the way,
I think you can.
I'm not gonna eat a pig in a blanket. I'm just gonna eat a regular hot dog. So it's 10 hot dogs right here, and it's only 8 of these. But the purpose of this lunch is for Naomi to make lunch for her and the boys. So I'm just gonna cook off my hot dog really quick. Yes, sir. Can we help you? We're trying to make you guys lunch. Would you like some lunch? Alrighty, Naomi's making you lunch. So now you're gonna take your hot dog, guys, and what are we gonna do? We're gonna cut it right down the middle, just a little bit. We're gonna switch knives. Take your chin out your mouth. Wait a minute, Nate. She's cooking for y'all.
I can't really.
You gonna put a little small. Move your face, girl.
Nick, get off.
Put a little syrup in there.
That was pretty easy.
Nate, she got it, baby. She's gonna call you when it's ready, okay? So, y'all see, We open that up right there. And take 2 of these little strips of cheese. I'm just gonna like stuff it inside.
Oh, that's
So-
a pig in a blanket.
While we finish doing this and stuffing these, we'll be back when we finish. All right, so we're down to the last 2, and she thinks she can roll her crescent roll faster than I can.
Yes, I can.
I guess we're gonna see. So don't worry about seeing our face, just pay attention to the hands.
Mama, you
and
want
watch
it to
see
be going down.
the mama finger's gonna win. Don't worry, don't touch my stuff, cheater.
I'm fine.
Watch see I beat
Lying
him.
down.
1, wait, 1, 2, 3, go. It gotta be neat. Alright, so
Don't let it hot.
the oven is heated now, and we are going to take our piggies in the blanket. In this case, it's not really a pig in a blanket because it's turkey hot dogs. So I'm gonna be a little mommy corny humor, and we got what are these? Turkeys in the blanket.
Turkey
Gobble
in the-
gobble. So put these in the back up there. Put these in the oven.
Ooh, it's broken in
Yeah, it's hot in there. We gotta set us a timer
there. When does it stop?
for 10 minutes.
Go down.
And after our 10 minutes, we're gonna check them and see where they
10
are.
minutes.
Because you're
10
supposed to have it
minutes.
in there for like 12 to 15 minutes. But we're gonna roll with 10 minutes because not every oven cooks the same. And I don't think she wants to burn her little.
Piggy's in the blanket.
So yeah. In the meantime, what are you guys doing? Comment down below. Tell us what you're doing. If you can't tell, it's like mommy and daughter day. Even though the boys are here, it's still like mommy and daughter day. And this is like the one day she's not getting on my nerves.
And who
Don't you get on
is?
my nerves? Don't you be getting on my nerves?
Yes, ma'am. Then who is getting on your nerves?
Nobody today. All y'all been good. They're being good for the most part.
I've been having
you
a
got
lot of
Nate.
fun.
He's just being Nate. So yeah, like I said, guys, we've been at home all day. Didn't do anything, like I said earlier. I lied. We got up early this morning, and I had went to the doctor, and then I came back, and we haven't done anything since then. It's hot. H-O-T.
H-O-T.
Hot.
Hot.
So yeah,
H-O-T.
normally I would just clean up the little cutting board and
H-O-T.
clean the knife off, but we decided just to talk to you guys and see what you guys are up to. You see my little, all my pictures and stuff in my fridge? Those are my babies. One of these days we might do a house tour so you guys can see,
Everything in
I
my
don't know.
house.
Not everything, but you know,
Big
basics.
Mostly the big.
Yeah.
The big.
Yeah.
The big.
Because they can't see our secrets. We got secrets.
What are those
Secrets. I don't know. If I tell you on the video, it's not a secret. But yeah, yeah. So yeah, comment down below, guys. What did you do today? What are your plans for tomorrow? It is Wednesday here, so it is Wednesday afternoon actually. This is actually a late lunch. Me and her, we lost track of time. We was in there watching TV. The boys were tuned into their game, and apparently they forgot to eat. Nobody still hadn't said they was hungry. Me and her just decided to come in here and make some lunch. So
Have fun. Have fun.
what? Have fun. Have fun.
I burped. I didn't really burp.
Oh, you were burping?
My neck got clogged.
Got clogged up. Let me see. But yeah, we're not doing anything. We're just playing around. But yeah.
What do you have to do?
So guys, once the pig and the blankets are done, we will be back. Say peace.
Peace.
Say peace.
Peace.
Alright, so everybody
We
is
made
about to dig into Naomi's first little lunch. Well, this is not her first time cooking, but this is her first time making. And she suggested oranges for their little side. So let's see. What do we do first before we eat, guys?
Grapes.
All right. One,
1,
two,
2,
3.
3.
God is great. God is good. Let us thank Him for our food, our heads. We are fed. Thank you, Lord, our daily bread. Amen. Okay, so Nate, I want you to try to peek in the bucket first, so you can tell Naomi how did she do. Can you tell her?
You like it?
This boy's not gonna try it.
Can I fry it?
Did she do good? Thumbs up. Of course, you're gonna give yourself a thumbs up.
But not better than you.
Not better than me. It's not much you can do for that besides not burn it. You gonna try yours now?
My piggy in a blanket thief is really good.
It's really good.
Mom wants them
What about thumbs up? You didn't even try it yet.
Everybody likes my piggy in a blanket thief.
So she got cheese in it for y'all too.
Mm-hmm.
Be careful, Nate. It might be hot.
You like it?
I said that a minute ago. Is there cheese or butter in
You
it?
said butter. You didn't ask me about cheese.
I thought I said cheese.
No.
It's so good.
Tastes good. Yummy to your tummy.
I'm glad y'all like it.
All right.
So,
We're gonna let them eat their food and we'll be back. All right, guys. So that is it for today's vlog. I don't know. We might vlog some more later on. But if we vlog later on, it's gonna go on the vlog for tomorrow. It's be like an evening vlog going into the morning. But like I said, we're not doing anything today, so why prolong it? They ate all of the little crescent rolls. They ate them all. So that tells you that she did a great job. And yeah. So without further ado, I'm gonna come over here because it's like the lighting is like so weird today. Everywhere I go it's like a glare. But where you going? You gonna close out with me or what? Okay, y'all, she caught herself doing her own vlog over there on her tablet. I'm like, whatever. So, without further ado, guys, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, turn your post notifications on so that you never miss a beat, and become a part of the world of Team Dawson. Oh, let me see the boys before we go. Y'all say bye to the vlog. Say bye, vloggy vlog. Alright, whatever. They tuned into the little ugly stinking game. They only come out when they need to eat. So, without further ado, guys, hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for the day. And we are just gonna relax some more and have a good day, guys. Bye.